Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us on this video on how to transition from the bulk project allocation legacy feature in Tempus to the bulk project allocation Flatgrid in Tempus. So why does this video matter? The legacy version of BPA, that bulk project allocation, that is going to be leaving soon. And if you are on a recent version, you will notice there is a tag on that tile that says leaving soon. We are deprecating that version of the bulk project allocation just because we have included all of the features that are in that area of Tempus in the Flatgrid plus some. So in order to help you transition from the legacy to the Flatgrid, we wanted to create this video to educate you. So just a quick note of what these features do. So the bulk project allocation legacy and the Flatgrid allows any user to make updates to projects and resources while others are doing the same. Think of it as an online spreadsheet, but obviously much more advanced because it's in Tempus. Now, when will the legacy feature be leaving? We're looking at probably our 9 versions, 9.1, 9.2. So this is definitely something to prepare for sooner rather than later. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into Tempus Resource so that way you can understand what the legacy version did and where all of that can be found in the Flatgrid. So first and foremost, I have the bulk project allocation legacy opened here, specifically in resource mode. That doesn't necessarily matter, but really what I want to show here is what it does and how it compares to the Flatgrid. So within here, we have our resources selected. We are grouped by resources, and when we click into that resource, we can see what projects they are assigned to during the time frame above, and get into those fine details of those individual tasks that are on those assignments, or I'm sorry, on that project. At the same time, we can group by project and then dig into, okay, what resources are assigned, and what specific tasks are they assigned to, if anything. A lot of people loved the legacy version just because it provided these roll-ups. And the one thing I'm really excited about is in the Flatgrid here, you can do the exact same thing. So what we have included is this group by feature. In here, you have the opportunity to group by any attribute that exists in your system, plus some that are more on the Flatgrid side of the house. So things that you may not have known existed in your system. So in here, I am grouping by, first and foremost, I am in resource mode. I am grouping by the resource attribute of department, and then I am grouping by resource name. So how this compares to the legacy is in the legacy, I could only group by project or resource, whereas in the Flatgrid, I can group by any project, assignment, or resource attribute I have available to me. Now you'll notice we get this fantastic roll-up view. I'm looking at my departments and can see which ones easily are over allocated. I can click down into that. I can see what resources are included in that department, what their specific allocation is at this monthly level. And I also get a net availability calculation here. So the fantastic thing about these rollups and this group by in the Flatgrid is you have more functionality at your fingertips, which does include things like this net availability, which is saying, hey, the team overall is about 0.73 FTE over allocated or unavailable, if you will. You can click down into the individual resource. You can edit in here just like you can, in the normal Flatgrid or in the BPA legacy. So this just gives you more variety in how you can view your information. If you have any questions on how to use the Flatgrid or maybe any of the options that are now available to you in the Flatgrid with all of the new enhancements, please check out our videos in Tempus University, both on the Flatgrid and then on the Flatgrid options. Thank you, everyone.